Hello, my name is Taiji Charity. I am the founder and executive director of Kids in the Spotlight. Kids in the Spotlight's mission is to provide a platform for kids in foster care to address and overcome trauma through the power of storytelling and filmmaking. So our youth write, cast, and star in their own short films, telling their stories their way. So our program started in May of 2009, and in the past 12 years, we have produced over 80 short films written by, casted by, and starring the youth in our program.
So some of the most important things I've learned are definitely like the technical aspects of the film industry. I think a lot of people don't understand the amount of work it takes, or that it's a business, and getting to do this program, you really get to learn all of that.
The way I got started with Kids in the Spotlight was through my social worker. I was about to age out of the foster care system, and she knew I had an interest in filmmaking. And ever since then, it has been an amazing journey. I'm very grateful for them giving me the opportunity to get the experience of what it is to be in film.
It's great to be able to provide food and clothing, but it's great to be able to teach them the skills to do that for themselves. And that's what our program does. This medium has a powerful impact. And I figure if we're gonna make a difference, these are the ones that need to be able to tell their story. They need to be able to experience the healing just by addressing their trauma and talking about it.
I think the reason why storytelling is important is because it's one of the oldest art forms there is. I mean, we've been telling stories since before we could even write them down through oral traditions. So I think there's definitely something innate about people and telling story.
To be recognized as an unsung hero, for us is parallel to the youth that we serve. Just the emotions, I can't even begin to tell you the level of emotions, because it really felt like a gift on our anniversary. So for more information about Kids in the Spotlight, to volunteer, to donate, to get involved, you can always visit our website, kidsinc.org. We can also be found on social media. Anywhere there's social media, there is Kids in the Spotlight. We want to be found.